Unit 2, Worksheet 3. Find the slope, y-intercept, and the equation for the line. So first of all, let's just remember that our equation for our line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So what we normally are going to do, we need to find these two values, and then we can write the equation. And remember also that slope, or m, equals change in y over change in x. Remember, y is up and x is on the ground. So in this case, we're going to use, since we're on a graph, we usually use rise over run, because it's the easiest one to think about. But it's still change in y over change in x, change in y over change in x. So here we go. So slope. First of all, we have to find two good points. Since we have a nice y-intercept here, and we'll go ahead and write it down. 1, 2, 3. So the y-intercept is -3. And then the slope, you have to find another good point where you can see exactly where it crosses the grid. So we can go up 2 and over 1. So we go up 2 and over 1. So our slope is up 2 and over 1. And then we always want to simplify our fractions if we can on the slope. So 2 divided by 1 is just 2. So our equation is y equals 2x minus 3. You could do plus -3, but most mathematicians just go ahead and write -3. And if I was to plug this back into my calculator, this is a check. You don't have to do this on everyone, but if you'd like to check yourself, this will work. Another graph, and it should look the same. All right, I'll do a couple more with you, and then I'm going to leave them for you to do. So the y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4. So positive 4. And I use that point. And I'm always going to go to the right, okay? So next good point I see is this one. So we go rise, goes up or down. So down 1 and over 1, 2, 3. So it was down 1 and over 3. So our slope is -1/3. So our equation, y equals -1/3 x plus 4. All right, I'll do one more with you, and then you're going to do the rest of them by yourself. So I'm going to start with our y-intercept, 1, 2, 3. So that is down 3. And our slope, again, is rise over run. So I'm going to go up and to the right and find another good point. There we go. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So rise over run. And anything over 1 is just that number. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So our equation is y equals 4x minus 3, or plus -3. All right, I will leave the rest of those for you to do. Remember, at the end of this worksheet, though, you're going to need to explain one of those in writing. So make sure it's at least 25 words. And all you're going to do is you're going to pick one of them that you worked or one of them that I worked and explain in words how you work that one. So like if you're going to pick number 4, just put number 4 here. And then, or I worked number 4 by, that eats up a few more words. But I want you to actually tell me what it was that you did. All right?